The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to answer the question, how much time do you have to back out of a contract? So this is called rescission, and the term is rescinding the contract. The general rule is that once a contract is signed by both parties, if it's a legally valid contract, neither party has any particular right to cancel the contract. If they don't perform under the contract, they can be sued for breach of contract. Now, there are exceptions to this general rule, and that's what we're going to discuss now. The FTC has a 3-day cooling off period for certain types of contracts, and this is what most people are thinking of when they think of a grace period to get out of a contract. And these are generally for contracts that are signed under high-pressure sales situations, and we're looking at contracts that are signed in the person's home or workplace or a temporary location for the seller, like a hotel or a convention center or a fairground or a restaurant. So for contracts like these, in general, the person who is being sold under the circumstances has 3 days to back out of the contract and rescind the contract. In addition to the FTC 3-day cooling off period, there are certain particular industries that state or federal regulation have provided cooling off periods or grace periods to back out of a contract. And these are industries with often with high pressure sales situations, but they're highly regulated. Let's talk about a couple of them. First is campground memberships. Another is physical fitness center contracts. And a third is home repair and remodeling contracts signed in the consumer's residence. So we have a whole article and video about home repair fraud and how contracts are required to be signed. But each of these is a different statute, and the statute provides the rules as to what sort of notice has to be given to the consumer and what the cooling off period or grace period is for the consumer to cancel. So if you're signing a contract that you think might be in one of these industries, you should do a little further research, and you might be able to get out of it. And it's not limited to these three. These are just examples. So finally, there's other types of contracts that can be canceled based on the circumstances surrounding them. So if the circumstances surrounding the signing of the contract are manifestly unfair, the person who signed the contract may have a defense to any breach of contract. And we have a video and article at learn-about-law.com about defenses to breach of contract, but these are things like signing under duress or unconscionable contract. So an unconscionable contract is one where the sophisticated party is kind of preying on the unsophisticated party, going in and signing basically people in poor neighborhoods that don't understand the contract up to an unfair contract in a systematic way. That's unconscionability. Duress is either it's the proverbial gun to your head, whether it's a literal gun or a figurative economic gun, something like blackmail to sign a contract. So in those situations, you can get out of a contract as well, but it's a little bit different than a simple rescission grace period. It's not a automatic, just sending a letter, I'm backing out of this contract. So those are the basics of contract rescission and what types of contracts you may be able to get out of after a certain period of time. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment in our comment section under this post at learn-about-law.com or under the YouTube video on our YouTube station. If you found this helpful, it would help us if you would like to subscribe to our YouTube station, iTunes, or SoundCloud, and you'll get updates on our newest content. If we can help you in any way, please feel free to call our office at 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in most areas of law, and we have offices all around Chicagoland for your convenience. Thank you so much for listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.